It's a great idea to back up an iPhone to iCloud for preservation on a regular basis. However, most Apple users may wonder how to restore iPhone from iCloud efficiently when it comes to iPhone backup restoration. Okay, focus on this video with the popular methods and possible troubleshooting. Part 1. How to back up iPhone to iCloud. Navigate to your iPhone settings, your name, Cloud, iCloud Backup, Backup Now. Here, please turn on iCloud Backup. Tap Backup Now. Then you can check the estimated time for completion in the progress bar. Part 2. How to restore iPhone from iCloud Backup directly. 1. Head toward iPhone Settings, General, Software Update. 2. Download and install the latest version of iOS, if any. 3. Check the backup files by going to Settings, your name, iCloud, Manage Storage Backups. 4. Proceed to iPhone Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. 5. Then, set up your iPhone again. 6. When reaching the Apps and Data screen, hit Restore from iCloud Backup. 7. Log into your Apple lid. 8. Select Choose Backup and choose from a list to restore. Part 3. How to restore iPhone backup from iCloud. 1. Visit iCloud.com from any browser on your computer. 2. Use your Apple ID and password to log into iCloud. 3. You'll see all the backup files available on the site. 4. Access any file type and get the concrete items there. Part 4. How to restore iPhone from iCloud without resetting. Well, do you have any tips on how to restore a new iPhone from iCloud selectively, or how to get the backup onto the old iDevice without resetting? That's easy, as long as you install iPhone Data Recovery on your computer.